Yo, first order of the day. We've got a Subway. This one is $9 going 5 miles. Yep.
You're here for pick up my. Do you hear that beeping noise?
Yes, I do.
My machine is completely down right now.
Thank you. Off to a great start. That was like a 20-minute wait for no reason. Well, there was a reason, but it shouldn't have been a 20-minute wait. This order is no longer worth it. Bro, where the Well, that was a pretty annoying first order. We got the next one. This is Black Rock Coffee going 3 miles. Hello. Got Mary.
Oh, okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. So this is a hand to customer for some reason. This is E. This is F. Okay. So that should mean the building that I'm after should be right behind me. Of course, it's on the top floor. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Total for that was $7 and change. And our next order is a McDonald's going just under 4 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hand it to me. Why? Just why?
Thank you very much.
Have a good day. Oh, you're so welcome. Don't know if you could tell, but I had to walk through sprinklers to even get to their door. That's amazing. Thank you for that. Total for that was $7 and change. Okay, I didn't realize how badly I got soaked. I only walked through it for like 2 seconds, but bro, who waters their ramp? Anyways, we've got the next order. This is a Black Rock Coffee going 3 miles. Let me guess, for this order, I'm gonna have to walk on hot coal. Right here. Have a great morning. It says, just leave it at the door. Thank you. Sounds good to me. Total for that was $8 and change. Okay, that was actually a really good order. And we got the next one right away. This is Starbucks going about 1 mile. Yeah.
Thank you.
Are there rooms that way?
What room are you looking for?
105.
Yeah, it's down that way.
Thank you. Oh, wow. Okay. Thank you very much. Total for that order was $10. And we got the next one. This is Angels going 5 miles.
You have a wonderful day.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go ahead and guess there is no tip on this one. It is one breakfast sandwich. Oh, there was a tip on that. Total was $6 and change. Not terrible. And I got to see a cute cat, so I guess that's worth it. Kind of. Not really. Whatever. We've got a McDonald's going 2 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a day, Dan.
You too. Total for that order was $5 and change, but it only took me like 10 minutes tops, so pretty decent. Next order up, we've got a Starbucks. This one's gonna be $10 going 3 miles. Thank you. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's $8 going 1.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. I got this next order as soon as I pulled up to that last drop off. This one is Joe Brown's Cafe, $9 going 5 miles.
Ready for Ariel?
Yes.
Right there.
Thank you. Finally got the next order. This one is Cupidone Coffee. This one's going 8 miles. Pretty high on the mileage on this one. Thank you.
Beautiful.
Yikes. Total for that one was $7 and change. Next up, we've got a food, cafe, and catering. This one's going 9 miles. Thank you. Total for that was $9, no tip. Very nice. Well, that's annoying. Next order up is a Black Bear Diner going 10 miles. It would have been a lot less mileage if I got it 2 minutes earlier, because they gave it to me after I passed the exit for it, and now I'm stuck on the highway. Okay, they just gave me an add-on. It said it was going an additional 4 miles, but it's pretty much the midpoint from the restaurant and the original order, so one of those was a no tip, and I'm like 99% sure it was that second one. Total for those two ended up being $20. Current time is 10:05. Total, we are at 1:22. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.